Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Daily Workout Fitness Coach by Daily Workout app for your own personal trainer wherever you are. Follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, open your Play Store or App Store. Then search Daily Workout Fitness Coach. Tap to Daily Workouts Fitness Coach and then tap to install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed completely, open the app and enjoy Daily Workouts app. This was for today. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.